is my animal cell. And for the lysosomes, I use good and plenties, and the lysosomes contain chemicals that break down food particles and warn out cell parts. The vacuoles, I use jelly bellies, and it stores water, food, waste, and other materials. The fruit by the foot, right there, is the endoplasmic reticulum, and it's the network of passageways that carries the material from one place to another. And the other fruit by the foot is the cell membrane, which protects the cell and regulates what goes in and out of the cell. The nucleus is a giant marshmallow that is spray painted with this edible stuff. Directs all the cell's activities, including reproduction. The chocolate chips, right there and there. The chocolate chips are the ribosomes. They produce protein. They may be attached to endoplasmic reticulum, or they could be floating around in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, I used white chocolate everywhere. And mitochondria, right there, I use Tootsie Rolls, which most of the cell's energy is produced in the mitochondria.
Who's hungry? Ready, clap.
Hey you guys, I'm a seed party.
Yeah.
Cytoplasm is a jello. The cytoplasm includes a gel-like fluid in which many different organelles are found. The ribsome are the beans, because I couldn't find anything else. The black beans, and these small structures function as factories to produce proteins. Ribsomes may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or they may flatten the...
My animal cell, and made it out of a sugar cookie. Well, I'll start with the cell membrane. It's white frosting. My cytoplasm. The cell membrane protects the cell and it lets it figures out what goes in and out of the cell. The cell cytoplasm is it's almost like jello, and it keeps all the organelles. Make protein. They're yellow nerds. My vacuoles, and my light blue frosting vacuoles are actually gumballs, and they store everything. And then my mitochondria or mitochondria, they're like powerhouses, and they make all or most of the energy. And then my red sour candy is the ER, and it gets stuff and sends it everywhere, as well as to the Golgi bodies. My lysosomes are dark blue gumballs. I was able to cut one in half. And they break down food and worn out cell parts, and that's like a knife cut in half. My nucleus directs all the cells to these. It's a splatter paint gumball, and then my nucleolus is a gumball, and a splatter paint jawbreaker. My nucleus is a dark blue gumball. It makes ribosomes. The little stripes are chromatin, and I think that's it.
So it says number 1, but it's turned around, and that is the cell membrane, and it protects it's the white frosting, and it protects the cell and determines what things can go in and out of the cell. And then number 2 is right here, but it is also turned around, and that's the blue that you see, and that is the cytoplasm, and it's
Oh, we touched the mouse pad. There we go. Thanks.
and it's like a jelly fluid where a lot of the organelles are found. And then number 3 is the nucleus, which is right here, and it's like the brain of the cell for the nucleus. For the cell, and it directs the cell. And then number 4 is the Golgi body, which is right here, and that's all Golgi. And it receives things from the endoplasmic reticulum and then sends them out to other places in the cell. And then number 5 is the endoplasmic reticulum, and it's a whole bunch of passageways that carry stuff from different parts of the cell. And then number 6 is all the way right here, which is these. gummy, and it contains chemicals that break down food. And then number 8 is all the way back here, but you can really see it. And it's the mitochondria, and it's like, it contains all the energy for the cell. And number 9 is right here, and you can't really see, but the toothpick is poking at this little dot right here. And it's a ribosome. And they make proteins, and they can be attached in here in the endoplasmic reticulum, but they can also be all the way around the cell.
I'm Jack, and this is my animal cell made out of styrofoam. For the nucleus, I used a wood ball, and I painted it purple. For my endoplasmic reticulum, I got some paracord and used tacks to put it in. And for my vacuoles, I used styrofoam, painted it light blue. And these store food and water. And our ribosomes are airsoft BBs, painted black. And these create proteins. My Golgi bodies are pink noodles. They transport materials to other parts of the cell. These are my mitochondria. They're like powerhouses of the cell, creating energy. This is my vacuole, and it stores chemicals that help break down food. And all of this is my cytoplasm, and dark blue is the cell membrane.